All right, it's Saturday, January the 28th, right about 6:30 p.m. Just want to show you what I've been working on today. I got a late start. I got that cross member taken out. I went ahead and flipped it up top, put a couple of tacks. That way that can act like a support. Put me a little leg right there, little leg right there. I got my 18-inch mark on both sides. Got all my fuel rails taken out, brake lines disconnected. So I'm about ready to start cutting it. I'm going to go ahead and get me some supper. When I come back out, I'm going to go ahead and cut the rear part of the frame off. That'll be done. So let me go eat and I'll be right back. All right, y'all. I'm back. Got me a little supper. Come on out here. Went on, cut it. It's done now. So what it did, I came from right here to here, went 18 inches and cut it, both sides. Now what I'm gonna do now, what I'm gonna start working on is getting this weld out right here. And all down the side and one up underneath. And go and get this piece of the rail taken out. And I'll bring that part, and bring it all the way up to here. And exactly 2 inches from here to here. And they even made a little scribe mark right there just so I know where to stop. But, all right, all I got in there is just get these two pieces of rails out. I'm going to have to unhook the cross member for the transmission. I'm going to put my jack on the transmission. That way it'll support the weight. But we're getting there. We are definitely getting there. All right, let me get to cutting these rails out. Might be tomorrow before I show y'all me putting this frame rail back to here, but I'm gonna get on after it. All right, there we go. She's welded it back together. Now I'll come from there. 43, I think it was 42 or 43. I'll go back to my other videos. Put my cab out there. That's got to come out. That's gonna be in the way, but she's welded back up. Both sides. Done deal. All I gotta do, like I said, put my cab out, take a brace out, set my cab back down on there, and see how she looks. But like I said, this is gonna be on hold for a couple weeks. But got done what I wanted to get done for this weekend. It's rolling chassis, short bed chassis. All right, y'all. To the next one. Y'all be good.